On today's video, we're gonna show you the real truth about crispy wings, and you're not gonna wanna miss this. Let's get to cooking. All right, so what we got here is chicken wings from Costco's. I love the way they package them. Just, in my head, makes absolute sense. As far as crispy chicken wings, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a fan of the baking powder or baking soda. I've had them before, it does get a little crunch when you smoke them, just not what I like and actually what I'm used to. So this is the way that I prefer to do it. We're gonna smoke them on the Traeger. We're running about 275. Now what I'm looking for is just to get some flavor on these. They don't have to be done because I'm gonna finish them in the fryer. Now, pro tip, I'm not gonna bread these after they come off the cooker. If you want, you can actually cool them down. The next day, you can bread these smoked wings. I've had them before. Actually, Wes and I actually made them before, screwing around one time. And
they were hot as hell.
Dude, I'm telling you, we got that video too.
I was not right for a week.
They are phenomenal. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I've never, ever had a crispier wing than that. Period, end of story. Don't care what anybody says. These are gonna be crispy. These are gonna be flavorful. These are gonna be delicious. So let's get into it. So we got 2 pounds of drums and, flats and drums. I was about to say something else. So everybody that has used our wing dust before, you know that you can cook them 100% naked, flavor them at the end, the flavor that you like. Today I'm gonna hit a couple of mine with Nashville Hot. I love Nashville Hot. It is one of the best flavors in the world. We got garlic parmesan. My wife is sitting off camera. That's her favorite, so she's gonna get those. But I am gonna season these with our beer can chicken rub. So when they go on the Traeger, it's got that beer can chicken, that smoke. So you can use as much or as little as you like. Now, one thing I do want to try on these at some point is I want to make a Korean style wing. Now with those, a lot of times, most of the time, if they're done correctly, they actually do a double fry on them. They fry them at a little bit of a lower temperature, probably 275 to 325. Not really a big fan of that. But then they pull them off, cool them, and then fry them again at a much higher, 375 to 400. I am a fan of that. We actually have our fryer running at about 370, 375. We have our smoker at 275. We got them seasoned up, and now let's get them on the Traeger. All right, so we're running the new Timberline XL. Like I said, I got it running at 275. I'm just gonna put these on the bottom shelf, spread them out, give them some space. Pro tip, give them a little slide when they hit the grill, and they genuinely, some of the time, most of the time, won't stick. Shut the lid, and now we wait. Okay, so it's been right at 35 minutes. These have beautiful color. They're running about 165. This is when I'm gonna pull them off, put them on a cooling rack, and go get my fryer ready. While the fryer is coming up to temp, I'm just gonna let these hang out here, open air. I got them on a cooling rack. I want to start bringing that temperature down. The reason why I pulled them at about 165 is because there's still a nice layer of fat under the skin, and that's gonna make for that perfect crunch once we get them in the fryer. All right, so our fryer is up to temp. I'm gonna try to set these right here. And now we just put them in the basket. Oh yeah. All right, so these are looking absolutely phenomenal. I like to put a little paper towel just to soak up a little bit of this grease. Oh. These already sound crispy. Now at this point, if you want to add your favorite wing dust, feel free, go ahead. But for this video, we're gonna run them naked. So it's Masters weekend, so if you got a bunch of people coming over, this would be a perfect time when you make your little, what would you call it? Your wing buffet? Put all the wing dust out, or wing sauces. So as you can tell, these got perfect color. They look fantastic, and I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna tell you right now, ain't nobody gonna be mad about that. We'll hit it with a little bit of ranch. Y'all know how I feel about ranch. That is hands down one of the best wings you'll ever make. There's something about eating a crispy wing that tastes like it came off the smoker that is just next level. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this video, head on over to KosmosQ.com, print it out, make it for your gang. Hope you have a wonderful Masters weekend, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. You gotta have that shit tweaked up. You like wings?
If you could do that.
Sheesh.